Feeling weak and tired? The hard truth is, your testosterone is dropping and you're losing your masculinity. But there's a secret smart men are using to get it all back. If you're over 40, let me be brutally honest. Your body is losing testosterone faster than the hair on your head. The result? You wake up tired, feel weaker, have zero drive in the tank, and worst of all, you can't impress like you used to. Men who ignore this are dooming themselves to a pathetic life. Fat piling up around the belly, energy levels like a zombie, no strength, in the bedroom or in life. But here's the secret they don't want you to know. There's a solution, and it's not complicated, but you need to act now. I found the answer after almost losing everything, my marriage, my confidence, and even my self-respect. Now, men like you are using this discovery to turn things around. Don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Click now and see how men are restoring their strength in 30 days or less.